Previously, we talked about what is a transformer and how it works. A quick reminder. A transformer is an electrical device that uses the principle of electromagnetic induction to transfer energy from one electric circuit to another. Transformers are designed to either step up or step down AC voltage between cycles. In electrical, electronics, and telecommunication technology, we have different types of transformers, which are power transformers, distribution transformers, toroidal transformers, iron core transformers, ferrite transformer, auto transformer, air core transformer, instrumentation or measurement transformers. But we will be focusing on types of transformers based on voltage level, which are step-up transformers and step-down transformers. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please kindly subscribe to encourage me. Thank you. Types of transformers based on voltage level. Step-up transformer. A step-up transformer increases the low primary voltage to a high secondary voltage. This means a step-up transformer increases low voltage to a higher voltage. This is achieved by the ratio of primary and secondary windings. This means the numbers of turns in the secondary is higher than the numbers of turns of coil in the primary, as shown on screen. In electronic devices, step-up transformers are often used in stabilizers, inverters, where low voltage is converted to a much higher voltage. In electrical power distribution, transmitting electricity over a long distance, there will be a voltage drop. To avoid this, a step-up transformer is introduced in the grid to step up the voltage level before distribution. A step-down transformer. This is also used in both electronic and electrical domain. A step-down transformer converts high primary voltage level to a lower secondary voltage level. This is achieved by the ratio of primary and secondary windings. A step-down transformer is an opposite of a step-up transformer. In a step-down transformer, the numbers of turns of coil in the primary side is more higher than the numbers of turns of coils in the secondary side. In electronics, most applications or devices run on voltage like 2 volts, 6 volts, 12 volts, 9 volts, even 24 volts. To convert the single phase outlet of 220 volts to 240 volts to a desired low voltage level, a step-down transformer is required. Your cell phone charger, your laptop charger has transformer in them that converts high voltage to a lower voltage suitable for your devices. In electrical power distribution, to convert a higher voltage to a lower desired voltage lines for consumers to be able to use this electricity, a step-down transformer is required. These are some of the transformers we see around our homes. Yes, I am introducing a bonus question. Now, this is how it goes. You answer and you win a gift. This will be happening in all my videos. Today's question is this: what is the difference between a step-up transformer and a step-down transformer? Don't forget to hit the notification button for the next video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will pick 2 best answers within 24 hours of dropping this video.